Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is how to identify support resistance for a next level. हम कैसे identify कर सकते हैं? For that kind of reason, we take a nifty chart and remember 15-minute time frame. Right here is a 15-minute time frame. Okay. So let's see. So random, we are go to a random date. Suppose it's a 3rd of May, and just auto click on that. Okay, so we just hide next day. So what we get, so from 3 days analysis, market was first in uptrend, then this is the first wave, then second. If you clearly see that this is look like a wave, second, and then again market is in sometime downtrend. So if you confuse and how to identify trend, just click on indicator and EMA, and here just go to input and value is become 50. Okay, so market is supposing a downtrend. So let's go for support and resistance. So market open here. Okay, so this is my again a resistance market, this is again resistance, market here come at that level and take a resistance from here, market support but is not support. Again this is my resistance but it's a high level, it's okay, and this is will my again support, and okay, at that level it's small support. Okay, so let's see what's next day. Okay, next day market will open at here. So the next, okay, market hit that resistance, it will break. Okay, then it's a resistance, it's actually work resistance, then break this level, maybe till market come at down. Okay, market come at down, so it's clearly see it's a market first go at that level and face a resistance, market till down, again retrace that level, and again 50 EMA, which actually use as a running support and resistance. So it's a face a resistance, again break that level, retest, and market come till at this support. So it's a use, if you clearly see the uses of that support and resistance, these lines, so use for if a break and a sustain at that level, then next target will be our support or resistance respectively. So for that kind of reason we are use, if let's remove all drawing. So what is the next day, how we can draw? Okay, this is will use our support, and market is a break at that level, respect that level, so again we consider that this is my level, and again this, and here I just forget this will be our round number. If you not seen my video round number, I इन डिस्क्रिप्शन आई गिव अ लिंक, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक भेजूँगा, दूँगा, और आप उसको चेक कर लेना. सो नेक्स्ट डे मार्केट ओपन एट इट हियर. ओके, सो unfortunately market come down. Okay, these are no problem, but market is continuous is on the selling. So in how to draw in currently market support, and in next video we will discuss. Okay, just I remove this drawing, and okay, market, so this is a support and resistance, again here is a round number. Okay, round number. Okay, market open at a round number, so it's a definitely we sell on that level, so just forget it. So market goes okay down, again market is continuously selling. Okay, markets break this level, maybe okay further not sustain even. Why? It's a break this level, but it's a 50 moving average is like a resistance over here. So for that kind of reason market again continuously come down. So that's it. Okay, next what market, okay, break this level, maybe, okay, it will sustain, okay, not sustain, again market came down. Okay, so just remove all drawing again. Okay, let's see. Okay, market support, this is my initial zone, and again market tested at that level, so this will be my again support. This is the resistance, again this is a full gap area, this is again my resistance. So let's see what my, okay, market open at here. Okay, market is a break this level, I think it's a continuously selling. So market retest, again sell off. Okay, again sell off come at that level. Market come at that level, I think it's become okay, the end of era at 15. Okay, just market sustain, again market gap down. So let's remove all drawing. So again so this is my again support, or we can, okay, support, then this support, then this, then this. If it's a small support, okay, so next level market come out down, and this again round number, market again sell off at that level, so it's continuously selling. Okay, just we remove drawing, there is no use if we kept down. So okay, so next market is a resistance over here, and again here is support, and here is again support, and at that level again market face a resistance. Continuously market is a downturn, so let's see in the next day market where open. Okay, at a resistance or sell off continuously. Okay, then take a support, then 15 moving average break, and 3 or 4 candle are sustained. So I think bullish pressure. Okay, small little bit bullish pressure, again market, okay, so not sustained. So market, yeah, okay, it's again a type of a round number, so market will sustain, but not bulls are not satisfaction going market up down. So again face a resistance, okay, break this level, I think, okay, market come at that level. So it's used for somebody use for place our target, and for identification where is the market is going on. So okay, thank you guys, that's for it. So let's see next video. Okay, bye.